Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office for Western Technical College, Introductory Statistics. And my topic is using the software called SALT with different data sets. The software that we have called SALT, relatively new, and it is set up to take data from your homework and to use that data. But there are situations where you might want to use the SALT program, and there's not a link for you to take the data directly from the homework. Or you might have another data set, like for the project that's coming up, and you say, I want to use SALT for that too. Well, how can you get the data in order to be able to use SALT? So I'm going to show you how that works. And I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what I see when I do this. All right, so I'm going to create a window here where it doesn't recognize me. It doesn't know who I am. And I'm going to type the word sheets, google.com. All right, and I'll put this link in the video description. But if I go here to Google Sheets, then you would put in your regular email address and your password, and you have a Google account. It's already set up, and then you want to start a new spreadsheet. So we just click here, blank, and it creates a spreadsheet for us. So then it's like, okay, well, I need to get my data in here, and then I need to get it into the SALT program. So if I am working on some kind of a homework set, so let's say I open homework set number 3 here, and I say, okay, I have a data set and I want to put that into the SALT program so that I can find the median, let's just say. So then I have this information and I'm going to put it into my spreadsheet. Now it's a little bit tricky here. I'm just going to do it by hand. 8785, okay? And this is going to be height. So I've got 87, 85, 84, 83, 83. 82, 81, and 80. 80, 79, 78, 73. So here are my heights, and I want to make sure that I have them incorrectly. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12 of them. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12 of them. So, okay, at the very least, I've double checked it. I have the same number of values. Looks good. Now, it is possible for me to copy and paste here, but it's going to be a little bit tricky. What has to happen, if you'll notice, is that these data values are in a column. They have to be in a column. But over here, they're not in a column. They're in a row. So that would be a problem. But as I see it here, I've got it set up to be in a column. Now, if I want to use SALT in order to make this happen, I'm going to have to download this in what's called comma-separated values, or CSV. So I click where it says File, Download comma-separated values. So it's going to take this list, and notice I have the word height, it's the title, and then I have this list of numbers, and it says Untitled Spreadsheet sheet 1 with a 5 on it. Okay, so that's what I have. So then I need the salt website, and I'll give you this link also in the video chat so that you can have the correct information. So now I'm using salt and I want to upload my data. So I click on upload the data, upload CSV, click on there, and then there's untitled spreadsheet, sheet 1 with a 5. That's what I want. And it says height, and it says they're numerical, which they are. I select that, and here are my numbers. And if I want to, I can click on this to say I want to see all 12 of them. So all 12 of them made it in fine. And so then descriptive statistics. What do I want? I want the median. Median is right there. But it also has everything else, all this other calculation. And then it also allows me to do some charts and graphs. I can do a dot plot if I want to of the height. And it'll show me the numbers here, give me a lot more information. So there's a lot that can be done using SALT. Later on in the term, we'll be talking about these inferential statistics and all this other stuff. So then it's a powerful program. It does a lot of things, but you have to get the data into it. And so once again, we were on this untitled spreadsheet, and then we saved it as a CSV, and then we were able to upload it into SALT and use it from there. All right, so I hope that's good information for you. And certainly if you have questions about how it works, feel free to ask.